we doing?
I'm putting 13 quarts of oil in here. I'm seeing if it works. Hopefully without making a BFM, a big friggin' mess. Usually I get the 4-liter jugs, but they didn't have any.
Do you know how much to approximately put in?
Yeah, well, a little over half a pail, because it's a 20-liter pail, right?
That sound is soothing.
It's soothing, eh, Matt? What is soothing about the sound of oil? Be soothing as if that solves my f***ing issue and it's not a $700 fuel pump or a high pressure pump that's worth God knows how many thousands more.
Or 8 injectors.
Actually, get me the, there should be a liter of that Promax stuff, Matt. That green jug.
Yes?
Yeah, want to try it in this?
I'm filming.
Okay, I'll go look after.
Hold on. Yeah, we'll go get it. Is that the cat's ass stuff?
Yeah.
For engine life or fuel?
Well, it just does everything. Let's just see what we're at here. Where are we at? We're right there. Is that half yet? No, not even close.
Oh, Mike.
God, I'm such a pig. Where are we at? We're there. It's still not half. And let me go grab a liter of the Promax. I want to try it in this thing anyway. Matt, is that your paperwork?
It's our paperwork.
Is it our paperwork?
It's our to-do list that Lisa gave us.
Really?
That we've not even started yet.
Well, you can't just come here for one day, Matt.
Yes, I can. I didn't know there was an adventure to Oyama.
Well, me neither. Okay, where's the jug of Promax?
I don't know.
I don't know either. It should be right there.
It's not in the green or the fucking
The
oil.
bright green. Can't find it. I won't use it, but I wanted to try it. Supposed to leave us one. Well, we took it to Brad's. Right?
Mm-hmm. It's not in the oil container cabinet. Check the oil cabinet.
It was right there. Oh, you can see it. It's bright green.
No, nowhere.
Okay, not happening. You haven't got anything on the dipstick yet?
No,
No.
it's not even 20 liters. It's 19 liters, Mike.
Is that?
Yes.
We got American gallons?
Look to the right of the 5 gallons. Yes.
American gallons? Or
Look
Canadian
at the
gallons?
number of liters.
Yeah, but
18.9 liters. A liter's a liter, Mike. It says 18.9. So obviously it's American. Is it not?
well, I don't know, Matt. I'd have to do the conversion between American gallons and Canadian gallons.
Well, Mike, a Canadian gallon is 4 point something liters.
Is that?
Yes.
Okay, well, is that? Yeah.
Well,
4.75. Maybe.
Yes, and this is 5 gallons.
Yeah, so it must
and
be, yeah.
It says 18.9 liters.
So that's less than 4. So it must be American gallons.
So I'm saying half of this is only 9 liters. 9.6 liters is what I'm trying to get at.
See, I don't know if it's quarts or liters. What's it say? Does it say there?
I don't know, Michael.
I'm confused. It takes 13 of something.
Okay, well. That's getting close there.
Yeah, yes. I'm going to lose a liter when we fire it up.
Is there oil on it?
No, it looks like it's right full. There's a rag. I had one.
There's one. I threw one on the ground, I think. No, I didn't. There's one there on the ground.
And one right here.
There you go.
Exciting stuff, eh, Matt?
What?
Exciting stuff, eh, Matt?
Well, I want to see what.
I want to see too. Well, it's really hard to tell. It says false. I'm going to put another quart in
I want to see resolution of this.
because the oil filter is empty. Right?
But does it? What happens if you put too much oil in a diesel?
What happens if you put too much oil in anything? It's not good. Then you got to take it out.
Okay, you're just winging it here.
Yeah, that's about a quart. Okay. Now, because we changed both fuel filters, I'm going to cycle the fuel pump 4 or 5 times. And actually, you should be able to listen and hear if it's cavitating, Matt.
What's that word mean?
I mean, sucking air, right? So when you turn on the fuel pump, right?
Put your window down, please. So you mean to hear it like working?
Well, yeah, should. Hear it?
No.
Matt, come here.
Do you hear it?
Yeah, well, you can hear it here.
Oh, in the back. I thought it was in the front.
No, the pump's there. Hear it?
Yes.
Man,
Bullet number?
you have to run it 5 cycles. There's one. Okay,
Again.
hear it? Six, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12.
How long is it supposed to run for?
I don't know. I always do it 30 seconds. 16. Because you have to fill up both of them, right? Okay, there's 2. There goes 3. See, before it was making some weird noises. Now it's not.
What do you mean it's making weird noises?
7. Well, because there was no fuel in the filter.
Oh, so it's kind of running dry.
Yeah.
You hear the mechanics working.
No, it's the electrics.
Same noise.
Yes. Right? It's consistent.
Yeah, the same as before.
See, and then it stops, right? Because it's full. And do it again. 3.
Sounds like it's a bit. Struggling.
Could be. Could be shot. I'm going to try it 5 times just to see now. Tell me when it stops.
Stop.
Stopped? Okay, one more time. It has to fill up both filters. There's that one there, your primary, then your secondary is right on the motor.
Maybe that's what it's supposed to sound, but it doesn't sound like. Done.
Okay. One more time, and then we'll fucking try starting it.
Is the
Low pressure.
low pressure say?
Let's say. I don't know.
Should we go up and down the road once?
I think we should.
What about, is everything buttoned off, all the oil and everything?
Yeah.
Is there enough oil?
I just got to check. It says check brake system, but it does not say low fuel pressure. Service advanced tracks. Been saying that for 3 years. Driver's door ajar.
Can you open up the oil filters, the fuel filter, to see how dirty it was? Can you take them apart to see it? Just to show.
Well, you can't tell, Matt.
Why?
Because it could. Because there's one there too, right?
Yeah.
Let's just check the oil level, one thing at a
But
time.
with it,
Or it could just be now that the fuel pump's cool, like it's working, right? Maybe just when it gets warm, it gets weak. Who knows, right? But we can take it down to the end of the driveway and back and see if it's still doing our limp mode.
the brakes won't fail.
No, Matt. You are such a wanker. Hard to believe you played hockey in college, Matt. Weren't you afraid of getting hurt?
No? Why?
You might get an owie?
No, that's why I was good at what my job was, because I didn't really care about the pain.
You were the enforcer, Matt?
No, I was the grinder.
In the corner,
Like it?
slashing and hacking.
Yes.
Okay, she's full, right to the full line, see?
Let's go take her for a little rip.
Yeah, so just go see if we've solved the issue. And then it won't be an issue anymore, or it won't be an issue anymore. It won't be an issue either. Where's the funnel? Well, it would be nice if that was the solution, Matt. But I never get that lucky. Find out tomorrow on the way to work. It'll probably test drive perfectly, and then on the way to work, it'll go into limp mode.
Yes, and you'll be late.
Okay. I'll just back her up.
What do you think you're doing?
Thinking, get in the back. Come on.
He looked at me and then rested his chin right back down.
Hey, get in the back. At least we've eliminated two possible sources of the issue,
Yes,
right?
the next two are cost a couple thousands of dollars.
Yeah, so like that. We've eliminated the two cheap ones. No, well,
Should I get that?
no, Matt. Why would you?
Cue the hate comments. That dumb cameraman not helping Mike do anything.
Am I clear?
Yes. Straight back, James.
Well, I can't go straight back because we got a trailer behind us.
Well-
Got a jackknife it around behind the Ford. Phone Richard and tell him how sorry I am.
You can tell him.
Well, I tried, but he's not answering because he's probably mad at us.
Yes, and now I'm not going to get my paperwork for a while.
And then somebody will post pictures of us at the car show. Right?
Greg says he's going to have a polite, did he have the polite conversation with you?
Who?
Greg,
Why?
he wants you to move all that shit so they can drive his trailer straight back in.
What trailer?
When Dustin comes with stuff, he wants all that stuff moved.
He have wishes where horses, beggars would fly. I'll see about it. Hang on.
Is that car, you didn't unstrap it or anything?
No,
The engine, you didn't unstrap the engine?
no. So shall we run down to Ford Road? or
Yes,
not?
Ford Road and back, yes. Gun it.
Okay.
But like safely. Oh, here comes a car coming from Oyama.
No, that's that
A GTO.
GTO convertible. Décapotable en français. Décapotable.
Lincoln's excited to see how this performs. Climbing. Lincoln approves. Good to go.
Why does that guy have his high beams on?
Did you pull out in front of him?
No. Unless we lost our motor. Did we?
Oh fuck, I don't know. Go pull over here in the gas. Oh god.
Maybe we did. No.
Is he
Still
following
there.
you?
Who is that? Yeah, motor's still there. Who is it, Carl?
Oh yeah. So I don't know. Is it Frank?
Maybe. It
Oh,
was just-
good. Is it gone?
No. It's good. Proper plan.
No, the thought did cross your mind.
Was that Frank?
It's a big Super Duty. Unless it's the guys from the rock quarry.
Could be.
You got a bunch of black across your beard.
Could have been the problem.
Makes sense. Old dusty truck, you know?
Yeah, but I mean,
It's a closed off system.
that's right.
Is it though? In your f***ing world? Such a thing as a closed off system that's dust free?
I mean, I don't remember when I changed the fuel filters last,
When
right?
you change the fuel pump, probably.
Yeah. Yeah, it could have
Most
been.
likely. How much?
Yeah.
How much are fuel filters? I assume you changed them.
Yes. Find out once the pump warms up, right? Could be. It's working now. Get out, Lincoln. Run free. Run free. Go bite a tire. Choo, 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 choo. Okay, run. Let's go. Leave my tires alone. Let's go.
Where is he?
He's still chewing the tire.
No, he's good.
Okay, let's go.
He's right in front of me though.
Now he's coming back to chew the tire. Lincoln, get going. He's getting old.
You think so? No, he's just getting fat.
He's looking for the cat.
What's he gonna do with the cat?
Chase it.
Jesus.
Lincoln!
He's not very smart.
Where is he?
He's in the front there. He's back on your side.
Okay, let's go. Come on. It's a game we play. One
Is
day
it?
I'm going to catch him. Bump,
Hopefully
bump.
not.
Hopefully not. Okay,
Okay, let's do this.
what are we doing?
Let's do a half-hour checklist stuff.
Okay,
I have the mean comments printed out.
let's go grab a buble.
No, let's do this.
No, I have them right
Mike,
in my
I
bus.
drove out here to
They're
film.
right in my bus.
Oh my God.
Don't you want an ice cold buble?
Is it cold?
Well, it's cold enough.
Well,
It is
the
bubbly.
lies continue. It's a buble out of your mouth.
What flavor would you like? The one I got?
I'll take anything.
I know you will.
Pick up that paper.
Okay, don't drop that.